Greetings. You can improve your business and your income without more effort. As a matter of fact, with less effort. You can actually do it effortlessly if you will really understand that money is energy and everything is based on energy, vibration, and frequency. Therefore, if you take control of your psyche, the way you think, the way you arrange your mind, I can guarantee you that your yearly income can become your monthly income. So you want to fix your business. You want to fix your income. You want to see more results in your life. Well, it's all mental. It's all psychological. You see, let me use a simple example to help you. Everyone knows that the person who works on a vehicle and who can get the vehicle to work if it is not working, you know that person is a mechanic and they specialize in that kind of work. So too with someone who's working in a hangar, he can fix the plane. And when you are in a plane, your life is actually in the hand of the pilot and anything could go wrong. But you have enough faith and trust in the companies that own the planes and also in the companies that we buy vehicles from and so on. And I'm just using those examples to help you. So too, you have to put faith and trust in the power of your mind. That is why anything that you would like to improve in life, whether is it your business or your income, you have to learn to quiet your mind down. You have to fix everything from within. You see, when you learn to quiet your mind down and to focus and concentrate, that is actually true prayer. Because true prayer is desire and meditation. And when I speak about prayer, I'm not speaking about you having a dialogue with an entity outside of yourself. I'm speaking about you using the spiritual science of alchemy, where you can transmute your energy into the equivalent of whatsoever you desire in this three-dimensional physical world. Whether is it in your business or in the things that are going to bring your things into your life, like your income. Okay, let me put it that way. So whatsoever you desire, all it takes is mind power. But you have to be in control of your mind. And wherever your thoughts goes, that is where your energy go also. And so when you understand that everything, as I said earlier, is energy, then you must protect your energy. And then you must know that energy comes from the invisible field. So when I speak about energy, I'm speaking about your invisible self, your true essence, your true substance. And you can only gather from that substance through thought forms, because your thoughts, they are vibrational frequency and everything vibrates. So money is vibrating on a certain frequency. The business you would like to own, it is there vibrating on a certain frequency. As a matter of fact, all businesses, they're vibrating on a certain level of vibration and frequency. That is why you have to fix your mind to vibrate on a certain frequency to attract the things that you like to attract in your life. So it is not just the things that you desire you're going to attract in your life, it's what you would have become. So whatsoever you desire in this world, you must become it. Okay? Because by your fruit you shall be known. So whatever life is in the seed, that's the fruit it will produce. And whatever is your belief, how do you see yourself? How do you see the world? How much do you love and embrace yourself? All these things are very important to give you the desired results that you would like to see in your life. So my brother and my sister, as we move into 2025, I will definitely encourage you to fix your life by fixing your mind. Fix your business by fixing your mind. Fix your income by fixing your mind. In short, I'm saying that everything is mental and everything is psychological. Everything has to first be a thought, everything has to first be an idea, everything has to first be imagined. Start from within. Learn to live from inside out and change the results that you will definitely get in your life. The choice is yours. So that being said, my brother and my sister, the real message I really want to get across to you is how you can really change everything in your life if you will just be willing to change your mind. Okay, and be willing to do certain exercises like daily meditation, mindful breathing, visualization, scripting, mirror walk, and in general, any kind of shadow walk that you decide to do. Okay, that is you living from the spiritual world to manifest to you in the physical three-dimensional world. Okay. So, my brother, my sisters, if this is the very first time that you're listening to me, what I'm saying, if it really makes sense, if it resonates with you and you haven't subscribed already, I'm definitely encourage you to subscribe, to like, to comment, or to share this video. Also, if you like to follow me on Instagram, you like to follow me on TikTok, you can definitely follow me at BlackMadGuru. If you like to get my books, they're all available on Amazon. The links are down below. Also, if you like to become a part of my Patreon community, you are most welcome. And I have a course there that is called the Inner Sun Science and Technology to create your reality consciousness. And along with that is a bonus course on self-concept. And that's what people are donating $20 or more on my Patreon. Also, if you like to do a one-on-one with me, you can send me an email. Or if you want, you can do a one-on-one with me on an app called Fatia. But the choice is yours. So my last encouragement to you is to make sure that you check out all of the links that are down below and let your intuition lead you and guide you into what to do. So that besides, I just want to say peace, love you all, I'm out.